So what AMSEL does is we are the Swiss Biological Medicine Center, the first and only one in Southeast Asia. So the reason I set up this place is because one of my family members have serious diseases, and we went around the world to look for programs, and we found that the Swiss Biological Medicine is the one that provided the best services, best treatment for the diseases my family has. So essentially, we set this up because of my family members. Then what do we do here? We treat, optimize, and prevent diseases. All kinds of diseases, NCDs, cancer, Alzheimer, autoimmune disease, everything you can think of.
Yeah, so there's quite a significant difference between international clients and those that are resident here. The resident clients are more on a health management kind of program, so it's more regular screening, and we get to know them obviously a bit more personally because they're here more often and more frequently. The international patients, time is of the value. They're sometimes here for a week or 2 weeks, and they want to optimize their time and get as much as they can from their visit. It does help that we're only 15 minutes from the airport here. We've partnered with many hotels in the area, logistics and transport companies. So it's more long-term sort of health management for the expats and the residents, and then sort of diagnostic programs and treatment programs for those that are flying in for treatment.
I think now, since a lot of people usually go to hospital first, especially in Thailand, majority of people will go to hospital. But sometimes, I'm not saying hospitals are not good, but sometimes they're treating the symptoms. So you go there, they ask you what you have, then you treat the symptoms. But for us here, we treat the root causes. I think now more and more people are more aware that when you look for root causes, you can find the better treatment to fix what you actually have. Because of the education and also a lot of information in the internet, I believe that at this moment in time, in 2026, more and more people are aware of alternative treatments and, in a way, better treatments.
Well, to be honest, this is the first time we're trialing an event like this, and we're actually very excited. It takes 2 minutes to look on the internet and see it's absolutely flooded with adverts and websites about longevity, about wellness, about healthcare. And I think with healthcare, you need to build trust, and you can only really do that, I think, from meeting with people face to face and having conversations to understand their needs, what they want, what they would like to see. So I think it's very important we do this to actually meet people, meet potential customers or clients, or just spread the word of what we do and why we're here, rather than just the generic websites or the adverts. So I think that's really why we're looking forward to the Tastemakers event on the 28th.